Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create notes in your Needl.ai account. Needl.ai allows you to convert any piece of information into a note instantly or start or create a note from scratch. Let's take an example of converting an information piece into a note. I can, for example, go to any of these categories and select any information card that I seem fit. For example, I am in social media and I'm seeing all the tweets that are crawled into my Needl.ai account. Here, let's take an example of this tweet. I can just click on the three dot menu here and go to Add to Notes. It will show me a list of all the notebooks that I have created. I can either select any of these or create a new notebook. Say I want to create a notebook other here and add my note to that notebook. Once I create a notebook, I can just click on Done and my note will be added to that notebook. As you can see, within a click I was able to convert it into a note. Now I can go to my notebooks, I can choose other, which is the notebook that I have just now created, and find my note here. Here, when you will open the note, you can see it says the note source, which is Twitter. It takes all the information which was present into an editable note format here, and it also gives me a link to the original card. Here, I can also edit this note as I want. Let's say I can just write any thoughts or insights that I have on this note. I will also see multiple editing and documentation options here. For example, let's say I can make this bold, I can use italics, I can underline anything that I feel needs to be done here. I can play around with all the options available here. I hope you found this interesting, how you can just convert any information into a note and add your insights to it. Do give it a try. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us at support@needl.ai. Thank you.